Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome you once again to one of my tutorials. In this session I will be talking about how you can download and install Microsoft SQL Server Developer Edition. So first thing that you need to do is to search for SQL Server downloads in Google. Then you will come to this page. I will open it now. If you want a full-featured free edition which you will use only for development and testing in a non-production environment, then you can choose this site here. And if you want a very small free edition which you would like to use also for some small production applications, then you have to choose this site here. I'm going now with developer edition. So I will press this button here and something got already downloaded. And now this window here pops up. Now you can choose the installation type, either basic, custom, or you download media and you decide about it later. I'm going with the basic version and I will get basic features installed. I will just scroll through this, accept. This is the install location, which is alright. And I will click the install button. To make sure that you don't have to wait, I will speed it up for you. Alright, and that's how it looks like now. So this is the instance name, and if you want to know how to connect to your database, then this is going to be the connection string that you will use in your applications later. Of course, the database will not be master, it will be your own database. Now here is the log folder, this is the installation media folder, and this is the resource folder. What I'm going to do now as the next thing is to install the SQL Server Management Studio. I clicked this button and now this page here appeared with this URL. Here you can download the SQL Server Management Studio now in the version 18.12. Now it's downloading a few minutes. Soon it should be done and we will begin the installation. The download is complete. I will start the installation. Alright, now this window pops up. Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio with Azure Data Studio will be installed into this location. I click install and soon the installation should be done. Setup is completed and all components have been installed successfully. I will close this window now and I will go back here. I will just click this button to see what it is doing, and yes, it connected to my running SQL Server 2019, which is what I just downloaded. I will close this window now and I will start the SQL Server Management Studio and I will try to connect through that. I found it using search. I wrote ssms, abbreviation for SQL Server Management Studio. I run the application. Now I need to fill up the server name here, and the question is, what's the server name? The server name is this here, this part of the connection string. To be more specific, it's localhost/MS SQL Server 01 for me. For you it might be something different. I installed several servers on my computer already. That's why the automatic naming chose MS SQL Server 01. That's what I will copy now. So Ctrl C for me. I will come back here to this window. I will paste it here. I will say connect, and here I am in a fresh Microsoft SQL Server installation. And that's it. This is how you download and install the newest version of the Microsoft SQL Server Developer Edition and Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Please like, comment, and if this is the first time you are watching one of my videos, don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.